Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the Colmi M41 smartwatch, and of course, we are going to test some of its features, specifically, the notification function, and of course, this one. The Bluetooth call. So we are going to try whether this thing works. We are going to check whether the speaker is good or not. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we are now ready, and of course we are already paired with the smartwatch, as you can see here. So we are going to test the Bluetooth call and the app notifications and message notifications, specifically the SMS notification for the smartwatch. So to activate the push notifications, let's go to the notification function here. As you can see, still not activated. Let's activate it. And of course, it will ask for permissions. Call logs. Manage phone calls. And the other one, access your contacts. So we have here, let's see, permanent notification. Seems like everything. Service SMS, seems like everything is okay. Then let's activate the WhatsApp application here. Push notification will work only after activating the notification permission. So let's activate the service. Allow, go back. We still have here the other one, SMS. Allow Dafit to send and view SMS messages. Allow it. So let's see. Do we have to set other things here? Seems like everything is okay now. Go back. So we are done with the notifications. So favorite contacts. So let's try to add a contact here. Add. So let's see. We'll add this one, then done. So let's see if it'll synchronize here in our smartwatch. Done. It's okay now. So let's see. Go back. Phone call. Contacts. It's already added here. So everything is okay. Last one. Let's check. Let's go to our Bluetooth connectivity. Let's verify first. Bluetooth on. Active here. As you can see, connected, active. Let's check. Phone calls, connected to phone audio, connected to media audio. Used for contact sharing. So let's try and test the Bluetooth call. So we are connected here. So let's send a message to the smartphone, and of course it will be pushed here on the smartwatch. So let's check. Let's go to the SMS section. So contacts, let's see. We don't have the number here. Maybe this one. Done. And let's see. Hello. Oops. Remember a mistake. Again. We did here. Hello. Call me M41. So let's see. So it's now sending. Seems like we don't have it. Nice. So you can read a lot of messages here. Hello, call me for M41. And you have an option to delete the message here. Okay, let's have another one. Another one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can read the notifications here you can receive. Okay, let's check. Where do we see the notifications? Here on the bottom part. Okay, tap to read. Okay, how many characters can we add? Let's see. Okay, let's put a lot of information here. So okay, send. Okay, as you can see, it supports a lot of characters. Okay, so you at least can read more information on the smartwatch. Okay, so what about if we try the WhatsApp notification? Okay, so we have here our WhatsApp application. So let's try WhatsApp. Colmi M41. So let's see. Okay, whoop, that's it. We receive an information, okay, with the logo of the application, as you can see. So let's see. So this is SMS. These two are SMS, and we have the WhatsApp. Okay, let's have another one. Another message. Okay, so let's send. Okay, let's see if it will be push here. Oops. Stop. Okay, so let's wait first. And then let's send a message. Okay, another message from WhatsApp. How about call? Let's see. Okay. This smartwatch. Oh, it just make a sound, but you don't see any notifications here on the application. Okay. I'll end it again. Let's try. Okay, so after the call, okay, that's the only time that you will receive a miss voice calls. Okay, again I will show it to you. Okay, so no, okay, message here, okay, or no pop-up notifications. When the call ends, I guess that's the only time that you will receive a notification for missed calls. Okay, next, but you can listen to the sound. It will make a sound and somewhat like a vibration that you are receiving a notification. Okay, so let's go for the call. Okay, contacts. Let's see. Let's call the number. Okay, I'm calling this smartwatch or the smartphone. Okay, so here you can receive the message here, or you can receive a notification for call. You can answer or deny calls. You can also adjust the volume, okay, which is missing also to other smartwatches. And nice. Okay, so it works. Let's go to the phone call again. Recent calls. As you can see, we do have the notification. We have contacts here. Let's try this one. Let's call directly here in our smartwatch. Tap. And it's now calling. I like the UI, by the way. We do have here the mic. Okay, so it's now calling this number. Okay, we have the volume. Nice. So the Bluetooth call works here. Okay, for the dial pad, let's try 0919. Okay, wrong. 8092 094. Okay, it's now calling the number. Oh, nope, that's not the number. Let's do it again. Okay, let's check here. Okay, again, 0919 809 2094. It's now calling, as you can see here. Okay, it's calling the number. And okay, last one. Let's see. Okay, again, I will call the smartphone. Okay, and we will receive it here. Okay, so someone's calling. Okay, I will answer it. Okay, I answered. Mute. Adjust the volume. Hello? Hello? Yes? Okay, call ended. Okay, so far the Bluetooth call works for the Colmi M41 smartwatch. Okay, so everything works. The message notification works, SMS, as well as the app notifications. Okay, so value for your money with this smartwatch. Okay, so it has a function for Bluetooth call. Okay, as well as message notifications. It also has a calculator, built-in calculator. Very useful smartwatch, very affordable, and it looks decent with very slim border here. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this video demo for the Colmi M41 Bluetooth call, okay, as well as the SMS and app notifications, just drop a comment below. And of course, we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.